My name is David Sauvageon and I'm a project manager for KiwiRail's. My job is really hands-on, anything to do with project management in the office, but also in the field. It's so exciting, you know. So today we are trying the new conveyor system fitting our existing MFS wagon. So we just built a conveyor system on top of a flat wagon, just in order to be able to excavate the floor quicker. When we developed the methodology, we wanted to use a conveyor system. Unfortunately, there was none in New Zealand. So we decided to design something from scratch, and we finally get the final product of 6 months of intensive labor. So it's really good to see. Yeah. We're really excited. Yeah, it's been so hard and so many hours put in there, and so yeah, now it's finally working and seeing it, you know, inside the tunnel. It's brilliant.